Hello friends, today we will discuss about the second problem on the Poisson distribution. Now the problem statement say, suppose there is a disease. Suppose there is a disease whose average incidence is 2 per million people. Once again, there is a disease whose average incidence is 2 per million people. What is the probability that a city of 1 million people has at least twice the average incidence? Once again, what is the probability that a city of 1 million people has at least twice the average incidence? Now, twice the average incidence would be the 4 cases, because we have the average incidence is 2 per million people. Now, when we are discussing about the Poisson distribution, that means the parameter lambda is here 2 according to per million. So, twice the average incidence would be the 4 cases. Now, we can reasonably suppose the random variable capital X is the number of cases in 1 million people. Number of cases in 1 million people. Now the Poisson distribution with parameter 2, that means lambda is equal to 2. Now twice the average would be 4 cases. So we have to find out the probability X, that is greater than equal to 4. So greater than equal to 4, that can also be written as in the way of 1 minus probability of X less than 4, or 1 minus probability of X less than equal to 3. So X less than equal to 3 means it may be 1 minus for P, that is X is equal to 0 plus P X is equal to 1 plus P X is equal to 2 and up to plus P X is equal to 3. So that means when X is equal to 0, we have, according to the formula of Poisson distribution, e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power X upon X factorial. So that is when X is equal to 0, e to the power minus 2, that is our lambda, 2 to the power 0 upon 0 factorial. For 1, the X is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 1 factorial into e to the power minus 2. For X is equal to 2, e to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 2 plus 2 factorial upon 2 factorial plus e to the power minus 3 into 2 to the power 3, when that is X is equal to 3 upon 3 factorial. And after calculation, we can get the result as 0.143. So using Poisson distribution, we can find out the result as 0.143.